The AI Revolution, your ticket to affiliate marketing success. Are you ready to unlock a world of affiliate marketing riches? Do you crave a life of freedom and financial abundance? Then step into the future with AI, your secret weapon for affiliate marketing domination. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer, a revolution that's transforming the way we earn online. With AI by your side, you can supercharge your affiliate efforts, skyrocket your earnings, and achieve levels of success you never thought possible. This isn't about replacing your passion and drive, it's about amplifying them. AI becomes your tireless assistant, working 24/7 to optimize your campaigns, analyze data, and find hidden opportunities. Imagine personalized recommendations that convert like crazy, laser-focused targeting that reaches the right customers at the right time, and automated systems that free you to focus on what you do best. That's the power of AI in affiliate marketing. But let's be real for a moment, the thought of AI might seem daunting, like something out of a science fiction movie. You might be thinking, Tony, I'm no tech whiz, can I really use this AI thing? The answer is a resounding yes. AI is for everyone, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. This isn't about becoming a coding guru or spending hours deciphering complex algorithms. It's about harnessing the power of readily available AI tools and strategies that are designed to make your life easier and your affiliate marketing more profitable. So buckle up, my friend, because we're about to embark on an exciting journey that will empower you to conquer the world of affiliate marketing with AI as your trusted ally. Section 2. Demystifying AI. It's not rocket science. Let's cut through the hype and understand what AI really is. Forget the images of robots taking over the world. AI is simply about using smart computer programs to do tasks that normally require human intelligence. Think of it as giving your computer a brain boost, enabling it to learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions. In the world of affiliate marketing, AI acts as your super smart assistant. It analyzes mountains of data about your audience, their preferences, and their online behavior. This allows AI to understand what makes your potential customers tick, what they're looking for, and how to best present your affiliate products to them. Imagine having a tireless worker who can analyze thousands of customer reviews in seconds, identifying the most compelling benefits of your affiliate product. Or picture AI crafting highly persuasive ad copy that resonates with your target audience, leading to more clicks and ultimately, more commissions. That's the power of AI at your fingertips. But AI doesn't stop there. It's constantly learning and evolving, getting better at its tasks over time. This means that the more data you feed your AI tools, the smarter they become at optimizing your campaigns, predicting trends, and maximizing your affiliate earnings.